that's certainly coming really soon. I'll just play a couple of other factoids to do with ATP synthase. So this is an early model when I imported the X-ray crystallography, the actual model of ATP synthase. And what I've been showing you has been greatly slowed down so you can see all the different steps and chemistry that's going on. Now, this is actually in real time. It's producing about 100 ATP, these yellow boomerangs there are the ATP. This is a very primitive early visualization I was doing. But you see the rotary motor. What I like about it is it's not too obscenely fast that it's unimaginably fast for a human to watch. It is something we can watch in action, and you do get a sense of how fast it operates. But it's producing 100 ATP per second, and that's in a very optimal situation. So it's probably a lot less than that in most cells. And what's also interesting is this gear here that's running around the motor in different species and in different cells and different species, that gear can be made larger or smaller to regulate the speed and the amount of force. So at the moment, it's actually 3 of these protons coming through that drives the mechanical energy of ATP being generated. And one last one, again, so that was the real-time engine. And what you're going to see is I showed you the tubular membranes. So the ATP synthase is here and here, those pairs. And we're looking like a slice through a cucumber down the center of the ATP, of this mitochondrial membrane. And these are the engines, the molecular engines that are pumping, taking these little white dots, the protons, the hydrogen atoms, hydrogen ions, and pumping them in so there's a much higher concentration here, and then they try and get out there, and that's what's driving. So this is the machinery for pumping hydrogen ions in, and then as they escape through this rotary engine, that's what's driving this mechanism. And this is in real time, or hopefully it will be. Nope. Hopefully it'll play. So this is the machinery all working in real time. So you have all the ATP synthase being generated in real time in these speeding rotary engines. And this machinery here is actually working to grab any hydrogen atoms there and pump them across the membrane. So, and it's actually, there's a whole bunch of other things that are going to be populating the world around there. The citric acid cycle, that if anyone who remembers from the high school or university level biology, the citric acid cycle is the most diabolically evil bit of chemistry that every kid has to learn. Trust me, I have studied for years. I never understood it. Now I do. And of course, it's made up of fantastic machinery that I can't wait to show you, but I can't just yet because I don't think anyone's actually put it together like we've done. So anyway, with that, I will stop and just give you a taste